Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and here we go again with another fantastic buy from Amazon. I purchased this last week. I paid $15.99, and I thought it was a good deal back then. It's on-cheer AM/FM shortwave radio with Bluetooth and a rechargeable battery with a solar panel right here. They're pretty small, so they're not that efficient. And emergency LED light, a stretch antenna, I think they mean telescopic, and it supports a TF card for an MP3 player. Now, it's analog, so it's analog tuning, so it has no scan function. It has 6 shortwave bands. They're broken up, as you can see in the picture, so it's not continuous. Goes from 6.8 to 17.8. Pretty small. It'll fit. Well, it's bigger than your hand. It's a little bigger than your hand. Nice audio. I've did some preliminary testing, and the sound quality is very good. And it's on sale for $11.19. Well, I feel bad that I had to pay $15.99. But anyway, I thought it was a good deal at $15.99. Now you can get it during Black Friday sales for $11.19. Again, I will be doing a review of this, just like I'll be reviewing the other one I mentioned yesterday that I haven't got a chance to do the video because these sales keep popping up, and I'll try to keep you informed of all these sales and tell you just a quick overview of what I think of the radio. Like, I think this radio is a pretty good radio. The drawback is it's analog tuning, and it's got a very small display. So for shortwave, it's going to be kind of hard to tune. It doesn't appear to be a DSP and mute while tuning. That's good. I like that. And reception on AM and FM are excellent. And the MP3 player works fine. Solar panel, don't count too much on the solar panel for charging. You need to use an external charger. These things are so small that you'd have to leave them. The testing I've done on other radios with these tiny little solar panels is it takes 5 or 6 days to charge a dead battery using these little solar panels. But in an emergency, you don't have any power, that's one way to keep it charged up. It's got 4.2 stars out of 5. That's good. 142 ratings. I think you should get one while they're on sale, and I will be doing a review of the other one I showed you yesterday, which is digital, and this one, which is analog. I'll try to get those done and posted today. I'll try. Have a great day. Bye-bye.